Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another sneaker unboxing to get into. As you guys can see the box right here. Hit these on a Nike SNKRS Restock. So here is the box. Just gonna get right into it. Go ahead, open the knife if I could do that, and crack this guy open right here. Flip the box. Put the knife in if I could. There we go. And do a nice little cut right there along the top. Flip the knife around. Go the other way, nice and easy. Go ahead, flip it around, and open them up. And as you guys can see, we had these before, but we got another pair. Go ahead, toss that, kick it over there. And as you guys can see, the Jordan box. We got the Jordan 11 Concord Breds. Hit on these on the size 11.5. Paid $1.99 so 20 cents short of $200. But had to get them. I could have got the Fire Red 5s too, but I decided I would just get this one pair. But take the lid off, toss it over there. We already know what's going on. Don't need no review or anything. But I got a 10.5 in these last time. Now I got 11.5. So obviously these will be for sale. I'm asking $225 for them. Preferably to sell them locally. If I sell them online, then obviously add $10 for shipping. But so there they are, and we'll go ahead. We'll take them out of the box real quick. Try to do this. There we go. Put the box in the back, and these, honestly, these look better than the 10.5. 10.5 had some stuff going on, and these would actually look good with the shirt. But the 10.5 that I had some, like, stuff going wrong with, like, having, like, little black pieces in the stitching. But this pair seems to be pretty good. Bottoms, obviously, Breds on the bottom, Concord up top. So, like I said, hit these on Restock on Nike SNKRS. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below what you guys think of these. And did you guys manage to cop these or the Fire Reds or whatever other Jordans restocked on Nike SNKRS the last week? And check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, FIZZ Kicks, clothing brand, FIZZ New York. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace.